This is the slope equation. We're going to be doing a lot of linear equations. And slope equals, what we're finding is m. M is the letter in our problems that represents slope. And our formula basically is the rise over the run. And in the rise over the run, we're going to take our x and y coordinates. So we have y sub 2 minus y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So these are two separate coordinates where we take the y values and the x values. All right, let's practice one and put it into play. That'll help us out a lot. So here we go with our first problem. I am going to take the negative 20 minus 14. So that's going to turn into plus 14. Those are my two y coordinates. I started with this one here. Remember to put in your fraction bar. I'll start with this x coordinate. So now I have minus 13 minus 11, so that turns into plus 11. Now let's do some simplifying here. A negative 20 and a positive 14, my signs are different, so I'm going to subtract and keep the sign of the larger. 20 minus 14 is 6, so 6 is my new top number, and remember that's a negative 6. 13 minus 11 is 2, and that's a negative 2. And now we have a negative divided by negative, that's positive. So m, or the slope of a line that passes through these two coordinates, is 3. And we're going to try one more example. Here's my second set of coordinates, and I'm going to find the slope. So it doesn't matter which set of y values I start out with. Let's just take the smaller one. So we got 3 minus 17, which would turn into 3 plus 17. Okay, now let's take our x value. So we have minus 1 minus 3. So that goes like that. Now let's do some simplifying. 3 plus 17 is 20. And minus 1 minus 3, my signs are the same, so I add them, and I get minus 4. A negative number, a positive number divided by a negative number is negative. So my answer is going to be negative 5. So m, or my slope, equals negative 5. Watch this video again as many times as it takes to learn how to find the slope from a line that passes through two given points.